This video will guide you how to replace the motor core for the Seta bike. Step 1. Utilize an M2.5 and M3 Allen wrench to loosen the fixing screws of the instrument and instrument switch. Rotate the instrument and switch to prevent them from getting crushed when the ebike is inverted. Step 2. Remove the battery and turn the ebike upside down. Place a soft gasket on each side of the horizontal handlebar. Cut off the motor cable tie and unplug the motor connector. Using an M19 open-end wrench, loosen the fixing nuts on both sides of the rear wheel motor counterclockwise. Push the rear derailleur forward, remove the chain from the chainring, and remove the rear wheel from the rear fork. Step 3. Use an M4 hexagon wrench to loosen the fixing screws of the butterfly disc by turning them counterclockwise. Next, use a T20 wrench to unscrew the fixing screws of the motor housing in the same direction. Remove the nut and gasket, and locate the pin pad from one side of the flywheel. Gently tap the motor shaft on the flywheel to dislodge it, placing a wooden board underneath to prevent damage. Retrieve the motor core from the housing and inspect for any broken gears. Ensure that no broken components are left in the motor housing. Step 4. Check if the motor core and housing are in proper condition before installing. Gently push the motor core into the motor housing, ensuring that it is inserted properly without damaging the gears. Use a T20 wrench to secure the motor core and housing screws and an M4 hexagon wrench to tighten the butterfly disc screws, ensuring that the side with words is facing outwards. Install the locating pin of the motor shaft onto the flywheel side shaft, ensuring it is oriented correctly to avoid complications with rear wheel installation on the rear fork. Step 5. To assemble the rear wheel, carefully attach it to the rear fork, avoid pressing the taillight wire, secure the rear wheel axle screws, install the chain, connect the motor wire, and fasten both the motor wire and taillight wire in place. In order to finish the installation, place the tire on the ground, attach the battery, and secure the instrument and instrument switch in their standard positions for normal use.